So a friend on Facebook just said that they feel because of their vibration and they want to be really happy, they're left alone because of the people. She feels so isolated because of the people necessarily. My original post was like, you can't help people who don't want to be helped, and you can't have a great time with people who don't want to have a great time. So she said she felt isolated and lonely. But what I wanted to say is, you can never really be truly alone because we are connected to all things in the entire universe. We are a sea of energy. We are connected to the plants, animals, humans, insects, microorganisms, the rocks, the sea, the sand, the air, the trees, the wind, the people in town. Even if we don't even live in town, we're connected to the rain, the rivers. We're connected to everything, to the ocean, the rocks, everything inanimate, the crystals. But the point is, there are many ways to meet our needs because at the same time we do have physical needs. Those human needs can be met through, for example, friendship, mingling, going shopping, saying hello, being jolly, being uplifting, compliment people, say I like that about you, I love this, I like that, I love the weather, I love your hat, I love your smile, I love your dress. I even said to someone today, I love your dress. Very friendly, happy woman. She happened to be wearing an organic cotton dress from Cornwall in England. Yeah, happy vibe. So if you see someone with a happy vibe and you feel you've a happy vibe, connect with that person, make friends, ask them out, go for a walk, get their number, give them your email, your number, or whatever. Just like make friends. If you want to make friends, you got to be friendly. As Peace Pilgrim, my heart hero and inspiration, used to say. Um, there's also non-sexual intimacy, such as like shaking hands, giving hugs, like tickling, joking, just goofing around with someone who you're friends with already, and is comfortable with you. So, none of us on the awakening path need to be lonely or sad or too isolated or unsupported because we've got to reach for that support. We've got to make that support. We've got to manifest and co-create it. Be the leader, direct your energy forward, and make it happen. For example, every Sunday now here in Ireland, I meet my friends, family, and soul family, mothers, some fathers, children, to get together every Sunday at a certain time, 1 o'clock, and we get together like of different ages, children, older, like from the age of from 4 so far, the age of 4 to potentially like 72 or whatever else. So it's good to get like people together. Everyone, like nearly everyone I know my age, is struggling to a certain degree, and many ages people are disconnected and unplugged. They don't feel a sense of community, and like the people are supporting them and people have their back. We live far away and people don't stay in touch properly, so it's very important to get in touch, stay in touch, reach out, get connected, make arrangements, have meetups, and go to places that are your favorite highest vibing places, such as like nature parks. For me, it's the Happy Prayer in Greystones in Ireland. If anyone's there, like just go out there. For me, it's like beautiful people going there and lovely staff. So it's a place to make friends, mingle. Just it's like my pub, like the way the pub used to be in Ireland, where people drink alcohol and hang out, like their second home, kind of. But that was a much lower vibration, where just like gossiping and ego stuff and just like complaining or whatever else. So if you want to make friends, you got to be friendly. Reach out, get numbers, arrange to meet up again, and don't allow yourself to be lonely or unsupported. Get support, make it happen. Reach out, be happy, choose to be as happy as possible, and you have to feel your emotions to do that. You got to go through not feeling good too, without like suppressing and numbing and distracting yourself with stuff like food, stimulants. Like, not that you have to eliminate it all, of course, but just be aware of it and don't go overboard or have too much too regularly. That's all. Just to be aware and look at yourself and see what you're doing. How are you avoiding, distracting, or numbing or suppressing your emotions? What habits, what possible drugs, what possible legal or illegal drugs, such as, like I said, food, caffeine, chocolate, drugs, and various stuff. It varies from person to person. So, everyone, I hope you loved this message. I hope you get out there and be happy and get together and support each other and have fun and love, live, laugh, tickle. Anyway, my name is Owen Fox, and if you want to befriend me on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, or look for my 2 books, or personal consultations, or my Higher Self Herbs herb store, or other suggested playlists, or even possible channels sometimes, and beautiful uplifting music that I recommend that I've created, have a look at my links below. And I'd love to connect with you. Send me a message or whatnot if I can help you any further. And let's connect here also on social media. Have a nice day, and thanks for watching. See ya.